So far, I think what I enjoy very much about this event is coming together with other ecosystem customers. So customers that also use all three solutions from Armors, AVIATAR and flydocs. And also to learn a little bit how far have they developed, where are they in their stage, and how do we benchmark towards them in a friendly manner, and what can we learn from them to continue the journey together.
Understanding, identifying the common challenges that we all face across the industry.
And seeing where the way leads us into the future of the three programs.
I really enjoying the networking with other companies that use the same softwares as we do, and to see what's being planned for the future.
We have been using Amos for more than 11 years now, live. About the current status, we develop many things together, and basically I want to invite other people to contribute and to cooperate together and to be in the leading edge.
What I've enjoyed the most today is being able to meet with other actors of the industry, people who have similar problematics that we do, and to chat with them and find different ways, solutions around it, and synergies potentially to address the problems we have.
Well, it's an awesome event, I think, looking at the speeches, but also the products. And last but not least, having so many people and so many people from the airlines here as visitors and partners, that's awesome.